Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video। तो बहुत सोचने के बाद I thought कि चलो आज एक मेकअप लुक कर लेते हैं but traditional। This makeup look is going to be the one makeup look you need for all of the traditional functions and all of the festivals that is coming up or even not coming up, but this is one you need। So without wasting any time, let's get started। So we are also gonna start with skin prep, and for that I moisturized my face earlier to just save some time because moisturizer needs some time to soak into your skin. And now I am using the Wow Upton serum. So I'm gonna take 2-3 drops in my hand. Then I'm gonna warm it up on my fingers like this, and then I'm gonna apply it on my face. It absorbs really quickly. Okay, so the serum is done, and now I'm gonna start with the foundation. And yeah, also foundation, you just shake it well before you use. And I'm gonna take like 2 pumps on the back of my hand. ये फाउंडेशन बहुत जल्दी सूख जाता है, सो इसको ज़्यादा देर स्किन पे रखना नहीं चलेगा। यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप ब्लेंडिंग इट। To be very honest, 2 pumps also is very much for this foundation because it's a very full coverage foundation, so all you need is a very little amount of product. But no worries, I'm gonna blend it on my neck as well, तो product waste नहीं होगा। Okay, so I'm done applying the foundation, and now the next step is to apply a concealer। And कंसीलर भी बहुत थोड़ा सा मैं लगाऊंगी टू हाईलाइट। Okay, so the concealer is also on, and now I'm gonna use the liquid blush. It is a face tint. It is a face tint by my Glam. So yeah, now I'm gonna set my face. Before I set my face, I will blend the concealer once more so that it doesn't settle into my under eye area. And now I'm gonna set my base. And also I'm setting my face with the Faces Canada setting powder. It's a very good powder. I'm using it for like almost a year now, and it's a very good and affordable setting powder. Okay, so I'm done setting my face, and now we are gonna move into the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm thinking of doing an eyeshadow which जो maximum कपड़े और कलर के साथ चला जाए। So यार अभी मैंने सोचा नहीं है। Let's see how it works. So I'm gonna use this color right here, a brown color, for my crease, and this palette is SFR Flower Show. Okay, so I've zoomed in the camera so you have a better view. Okay, so मैंने ये brown shade लिया है and एक छोटा small blending brush में लिया है ताकि मैं crease पे ही concentrate कर पाऊँ। I hope you're seeing what I'm doing। तो मैं इसको crease में apply कर रही हूँ, crease से ऊपर नहीं, crease में, and also like a wing like this, so it gives a good shape to your eyes। ठीक है, तो crease में तो हमने color blend कर लिया। Now we are gonna take another brush and we are gonna take a lighter shade of brown and then ब्लेंड इट अपवर्ड्स, ऊपर क्रीज के ऊपर इसको ब्लेंड करेंगे। ओके, आई एम गोना टेक दिस शेड राइट हियर। हम इसको ऐसे भी छोड़ सकते थे, बट द थिंग इज ये एक आई को फ्रेम करता है। देयर इज़ अ वेरिएशन, यू कांट टेल, देयर आर 2-3 कलर्स यू विल सी एंड यू विल फील लाइक कि 2-3 तो कलर है, बट यू कांट टेल कि वेयर इज़ द प्लेसमेंट, कौन कौन से कलर है, बिकॉज it smoothen out the color. See, I hope I'm explaining well guys, but just see the technique, see the difference in both eyes. This इसमें मैं crease के ऊपर मैंने outward blend किया with a lighter shade, and this eye मैंने सिर्फ crease को blend किया है. This eye looks more blended than this, so yes, that's why we do this. Done. Now you can see ये बहुत flat लग रहा है. So to add extra depth, we will take another brush and we will take a darker shade or brown. This color right here. It's like a cool tone chocolatey brown color. So I've taken it again in a small blending brush and I'll add it. क्रीज, जहाँ क्रीज कलर था उसके जस्ट नीचे. अगेन आई टॉक अबाउट द वेरिएशन, हाउ इट लुक्स गुड. ओके, लाइक दिस. See how it is giving the eyes a good depth. Now I'm going to use a shimmery shade. This shade is I'm going to use. It's a golden shimmery shade and I prefer using shimmery shade with my fingers only because it gives the most amount of pigment. I applied it almost like an eyeliner, but it's just like eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply it like this, focusing on my eyeballs, एकदम middle में. It gives a halo kind of effect guys. It looks very good. Okay, for now it might look very harsh, but I'm gonna blend it with the color of the crease. So I'm gonna blend it again. फिर ये seamless लगेगा. So like this. And I'm gonna complete my other eye and gonna come back. Okay guys, so both the eyes are complete and now I'm gonna apply a thin eyeliner. तो दोनों आँखों में आईलाइनर हो चुका है. नाउ वी आर गना अप्लाई सम कोल इन द आईज बिकॉज आई लव टू अप्लाई कोल. if you are not into kohl pencil that much, you can totally skip it. Okay, I've applied some kohl pencil in my lower lash and also I've tight lined it. Now मैं एक pencil brush लूँगी and I'm gonna take the deeper shade of brown which I applied on my eyes and I'm gonna smudge the lower lash line. Okay, so the eyes are done. Not yet. अभी mascara apply करना बाकी है. So we are gonna apply a good coat of mascara. Okay, mascara is done and with the leftover mascara I'm gonna set my eyebrows. I have a thick and black eyebrows guys, so I really don't need to fill it that much. और मैं अगर fill करती भी हूँ ज़्यादा तो भूत लगता है. Yeah, that's the reality and that's why I don't like to fill it. But still I'm gonna fill it lightly with the Blue Heaven Artisto pencil. तो हमने मस्कारा से सेट किया था तो ये एक ही प्लेस में रहेगा and it will work as a outline. मैं बस हल्का हल्का स्पार्स एरिया को कवर कर दूँगी with the help of this pencil. Now we are good to go to the lips. तो मैं सबसे पहले लाइन कर लेती हूँ, देन हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि हम कौन सा लिपस्टिक यूज़ करने वाले हैं. I've lined my lips. अब हम कोई probably nude shade अप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि आईज तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी हो गया है. तो हम कोई nude shade ही अप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि आईज तो बहुत हैवी हो चुका है. एंड फॉर द nude shade I'm applying this nude color. अब कलर देख लो, नाम वाम सब मिट चुका है and I believe it's from a local store. So the lipstick is also done and it is looking very beautiful. Okay, so the only step is left, which is the highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Okay, so this is the final finished look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel below, and tell me if you guys like this or look or not, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.